When it rains, it pours. This one's down. This one's down. We got the swing mode out. Put a cover over it, but we got the swing mode out. Because it blew, it was backing out the screws that hold the housing down onto the frame. So we had to figure that out, which we're waiting on parts for it. The dozer got a couple broke off bolts, and before I bought this unit, somebody apparently had issues because they tried to weld the alligator clip to hold everything down. So right now we got everything in the shop waiting on something. Can 2025 hurry up and leave? Start over something. Y'all be good.